Hello, this is Solomon Davis from Right Side Trading, where you can learn to trade on the right side with confidence. The day is May 26, 2018, and this is my weekly trade review. It's where I look at NASDAQ trade, QQQ, or the future NASDAQ. Let me just go ahead and bring up my slides. This is going to be really quick this week since I was involved with other stuff this week. So again, today is May 26, 2018, and this is for the week of May 21st through May 25th. Visit us at rightsidetrading.com. If you have any questions or have any comments, you can leave your comment or you can email me, Solomon at rightsidetrading.com. May 21st was a greater than 10, no trade. Next best play was on to the upside. May 22nd was up for 5, all based on where you got into that. And all the next best play was to the downside. May 23rd was up for 10. Next best play was to the upside. May 24th was a greater than 10. The next best play was to the downside. May 25th was a greater than 10. No trade. Next best play was to the upside. Let's take a quick look at the charts and see what we see there. Okay, like I like doing is take a look at the daily views. Last week I had said I was expecting the market to go down. I got this resistance level. I got this level right here. The market didn't break that, so trades that were sold above this level and all did work out real well this week. And all, like I said, I am actually doing things a little bit different myself based on where the market is at and based on what's going on in the market and based on what's working for me. So that was that, and I still kind of expect the market to hang out right here. It may break above this area this coming week. This time I'm not predicting the market to go down. Based on what I'm seeing here, it might want to go up next week. That's all I have to say about my big market review. Let's go to each day now. Here on the 21st, you know, like I said, that first candle was a greater than 10, so it was no trade. But the next best play was also to the upside. But it was a quick trade. It's all based on where you got into that trade, how far you was able to trade that trade, and where did you get out of that trade, what were your indicators telling you. Let's go to the next day. Again, this day was, it was up. It wasn't a greater than 10, as you can see. I'm looking at here at 40 and 50, so I'm between those 2 points. So again, we're not greater than 10. So again, you look to play this to the upside and all. So, and what happened here, based on the indicators, looked like it was going up. So again, it did give you a small up play, but it didn't last that long. It's all based on where you got into that trade, how well it actually worked for you. So let's go on to the next day, and like I said, the next best play was to the downside. Again, because since last week I was looking for the market to go down, I was more tuned to actually selling stuff. Me personally, I was selling stuff above the market and expecting it to data decay to pay me my money. Next day. This day here, again, this was up for 10. Again, this was another one, again, where that first candle, again, we're getting some nice candles now on that first market, 28.58. Again, it's less than 10, so green, we look to play it to the upside and all. So, and that's what we had there. So let's see what happened. Boom. This was that day that I was, like I said, I wasn't in front of the market this week. I traded a little bit different this week and stuff. And also it did gap up, and I don't know if you would have been able to enter this trade or not. Like I said, this is not a trade recommendation or anything. This is just a review on what actually happened. And how this worked out this morning, on this Wednesday morning, I don't know, but it did finally actually give you a play to the upside. Let's go on to the next day. Again, this is Thursday, the 24th. Again, this is a greater than 10. What I'm looking at here, again, you guys should notice. Anybody who's looking at these, you know, we're at 50, above 60, so we know we're greater than 10. That's all I'm really looking for. So that's really a no trade. And on that particular day, the next best play was to the downside. This blue line right here indicates to me, that's this line right here. That line indicates to me that we had the previous day high, and again, with my expectation of the market going down, I am more than a willing seller at that point. That's just the way I was trading this past week, the way I had already set my trade. So again, I was just looking and expecting the market to go down, which it never went anywhere, which in particular strategy that I was doing was okay. Didn't need to go anywhere. Just don't go up. That's all I was looking for. Again, let's go on to the next day. Friday. Friday again, this was another greater than 10 day. Let's just take a quick look at that. All I'm looking at here, as you can see, this here around 42, and we're definitely above 52, so that's greater than 10. Again, it's a no trade, but my next best play on that particular day was to the upside, and it was probably based on, let me just take a quick look at that. It was chopping. This market had been dropping. It had came up to that level that I didn't expect it to go above. It dropping. But again, you're always thinking it can come back up there and test that. And since it wasn't going any lower, taking a trade at this point and trading it back to the upside was definitely okay. And this is also my pivot, above pivot, stay above pivot, one of my rules. And it would have been a good play at that point if you didn't have anything else already on. Other than that, that's all I really want to share. Again, let's switch back over to the other screen. Like I say, all week it was had a couple greater than 10s, a couple small trades to the upside, and some just a plain old no trades, and that was it. That was the week. Again, that was the week. If you're interested in learning anything about this type of trading and all, this is what I do. I kind of help you get your platform set up. I help you get how I look at support and resistance, supply and demand, how I look at different candle patterns, how I go about selecting options if you want to use options. Also, we'll get in a little bit more about how I just basically how I look at the market for even trading futures and stuff, and some practicing, get you going. Like I say, this is May 26th. This is for the week of May 21st to May 25th. And this is my weekly trade review. That's it. Boom. Visit us at rightsidetrading.com. I'll be posting this out here at the YouTube page where this is to be posted. Other than that, you guys have a great week trading. Talk to you later. Have a good one. Bye.